Imagine being able to reverse the cancer cells back to their normal state. Scientists in Korea have found this breakthrough, and it could be the next big thing in the future. Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Arun Chandrasekharan and I'm a medical oncologist practicing in Kerala. Today we're going to speak about this scientific breakthrough which was done by researchers in South Korea, where they were able to reverse cancer cells back to normal cells. So what was the breakthrough? So researchers in the Korean Advanced Institute of Science and Research, they basically reprogrammed cancer cells, which were colon cancer cells, back into normal cells in mice. So instead of killing the cancer cells, they actually reprogrammed them. So how did they do it? So the researchers basically built a digital twin of these colonic cancer cells in mice, and using this digital twin, they were able to map the genes which were responsible for converting a normal cell into cancer cells. Of these genes, they pinpointed 3 particular genes which were particularly responsible for converting these normal cells into cancer cells, and they switched them off using some technology. Once these genes got switched off, it was seen that these cancerous cells started reverting back to their normal cells, and the tumors which these cancer cells were a part of started shrinking till the mice were completely free of tumor. So why is this important, or why is this path breaking? Most of our treatments in cancer rely on direct killing of the cells, either through chemotherapy or through the immune system or through radiation, or by surgically just taking the tumor out. So in this technology, you're not killing the cells, but you are actually bringing them back to normal from the cancerous state. So this means that there's going to be lesser side effects of therapy, and there is no loss of tissue. So certain morbid procedures or certain big surgeries can be avoided in the future if you can, translate this technology into humans as well. So what are the challenges with this technology? So right now, all the studies have been done in mice, and that too in colon cancer only. We do not know whether this can be done in other types of cancers, and more importantly, whether this can be done in humans. So this requires much more detailed study. The other problem is that changing the genetics of certain cells can cause certain unexpected outcomes. It can cause even different types of other cancers or some forms of genetic instability. So we do not know the final outcomes of this technology as of now. So to conclude, this technology is something that is definitely a breakthrough, giving you a new pathway into the treatment of cancer without harming the cells of our own body. But the science is quite early right now. It definitely is pointing towards the right direction, but we still have miles to go before we can actually put this into practice. Thank you, and have a happy, healthy life.